Okay, so the project beginning and we start removing the shingles, and now we're gonna do inspection why the plywood is waving up. Okay, so we're gonna cut the paper and we're gonna try to see why. Okay, so right here we can see they implement nail right here, but right here for sure when they nail it, the gun by that time has no more nail, and that's why they didn't nail this whole section. Okay, and this is why the plywood is waving up. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to screw back and install new shingles, and good to go. All right, so but someone tried to do some repair, but they didn't fix properly. So three brothers are roofing, we will provide solution. Okay, so everything back in place. We reinforce it with screws to secure the wood. All right. That's it. Okay, so after we re-nail the plywood, now we just install some ice shell to protect the wood, and good to go. We have the new shingle right here. The color came really well, close. Okay, the beginning of replacing the shingles. All right, and we are ongoing with our shingle installation. Okay, and we can't really tell between the old and the new one. Okay, now we are installing last shingle. Okay, so another project completed by a three brothers roofing company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.